Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Rakuten all help users earn rewards, but each app works best for a different type of shopper. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Rakuten compare, what each app is designed for, and which one fits your shopping habits. The biggest difference is how you earn rewards. Ibotta is built around shopping offers. You check available offers, complete the required purchase, and submit information such as receipts when required. Fetch Rewards focuses on receipt scanning. You make purchases, save your receipts, and scan them through the app to collect points from eligible purchases. Rakuten works differently because it focuses on shopping through participating stores and earning rewards from qualifying purchases made through its platform. This means the easiest app depends on the type of shopping you already do. If you regularly buy products that match Ibotta offers, Ibotta can fit naturally into your routine because you are checking rewards before shopping. If you want a simple receipt-based habit, Fetch Rewards may feel easier because the main action is saving and scanning receipts after purchases. If you shop online and want rewards connected to participating retailers, Rakuten may be the better match because the process is connected to online shopping activity. The second difference is how much planning each app requires. Ibotta usually requires checking offers before you buy something because the purchase needs to meet the reward requirements. Fetch Rewards requires less planning because you can scan eligible receipts after shopping, depending on the receipt requirements. Rakuten requires you to remember to start your shopping through the platform before making qualifying purchases. The third difference is flexibility. Ibotta is useful for shoppers who like comparing available offers before buying. Fetch Rewards is useful for people who want to turn everyday receipts into rewards. Rakuten is useful for people who already shop online and want rewards from participating stores. Before choosing one, check the current rules, available offers, and reward requirements inside each app. Reward programs can change, so the app that works best today depends on what you actually buy and how you shop. To summarize, Ibotta focuses on shopping offers, Fetch Rewards focuses on receipts, and Rakuten focuses on shopping through participating retailers. Your next step is to install the app that matches your normal shopping routine and test how easy it is to use before adding another rewards app. If this comparison helped you choose between Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Rakuten, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.